So hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. So this video is about clicking through UI and let's hit the play button and see what will happen. As you can see, it will spawn a cube whenever I hit it, and it will work even if I click the buttons. It's a common problem when you're working on UI stuff, and especially when you're working on Android projects. So how we can deal with them? If I open the click if I open the click script that is currently creating the cubes, you will see this is just a super simple raycast, and it will create a cube wherever it hit the raycast. So for solving this problem, first of all we have to add using that Unity Engine event system. Then we have to check if event system dot current dot is pointer over than a game object, then it will be returned and do nothing. So this is actually a boolean, and it would be true whenever we actually hit the UI elements and other stuff actually UI elements, and this would be false when we hit other stuff. So let's save the code and go back to Unity and see the result. And now if I hit play, as you can see, I can spawn cubes, and if I hit buttons, they work like buttons and UI elements. So this is the end of this video. If you got your answer, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And thank you very much for watching.